How to feature less of a selected memory in photos on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Photos. Then in the Photos app, if you are already in Library, just tap on the Close button here to close Library. And then we scroll down to the Memories section. Now swipe across and select a memory. So here, let's say I want to feature less of this memory. Touch and hold on that. Then from the pop-up, tap on Feature Less, and then tap on Confirm. Here it says, are you sure you want memories like this to be featureless? You can reset how Photos generates memories in Photo settings. So tap on Confirm, and that's it. After that, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.